In this video, I show you guys my experience with restoring two Xbox 360 consoles from eBay. So first I started with by taking them apart, and this one is being really stubborn for some reason. And eventually I just had to yank the bottom piece off, and that broke a clip, but that's what I had to do. And I took the lid off, and it's spotless on the inside, guys. Like, it looks like it's never used. Like, it's brand new or somebody cleaned it out. Guess I can tell it didn't get much use because the warranty sticker was still intact. And the display port or the AV port is bad. Or something in that circuitry is bad, and I gotta figure it out. And if you guys know what's wrong with it, please let me know in the comments below, cause that'd really help me out. But after that, I tried powering it on, and no luck. So I had to move on. I even tried wiggling the port around, and it still had no display. I sprayed alcohol in the AV port, pushed it in there a couple times, took it back out, and it still didn't want to work. So I moved on to the second one, and it's pretty nasty. Look how dusty it is, guys. It's sort of like that smoker's dust, where it's got like tar and dust mixed together. That's what it smelled like. It smelled like cigarette smoke. So I got all that cleaned up pretty easily. Just the Q-tip, some cotton swabs, and all that stuff. Some alcohol. And after that, I cleaned the plastics off in the sink. I scrubbed them down in the sink, trying to get all the scuffs off, but I couldn't get them all off. So what I'm gonna do in a future video is come back to the Xbox is worst affected with it, and then scrub it with baking soda, because it's like a mild abrasive, to sort of scrub those scuffs off. Then after that, I cleaned up that nasty 360. And sorry about my camera angle right here. It's pretty bad. And hopefully in a future video, I just got a tripod. Some will have a better camera angle. Some will have better videos for you guys. And then after that, I just cleaned it all up, put it back together, and here they are. They look great. This Xenon right here, it looks just about brand new, other than like two scuffs, but this one right here is pretty gray from all the scuffs and dirt and stuff I wasn't able to get off. And I'm gonna fix that in a later video because it has the bad display port. And let's see if it powers on. Alright, she's booting up. Hoping to get the Blades dashboard out of one of these. Ooh, that's a pretty cool dashboard. But anyways, guys, y'all have a great day. But anyways, guys, if you liked the video, please hit the like button. Please consider subscribing. I'd really appreciate it if y'all subscribe. If you didn't like the video, hit that dislike button. Let me know what you didn't like about it and how I can fix it. And if you have any questions about any console, any one, guys, please ask in the comments below, and I'll try to get back to you as soon as I possibly can. Anyways, have a great day, guys.